Beer Bros.
Früli, a strawberry beer. All right, another Belgium. What was our percentage on this one?
1% alcohol, right?
Thank you
You
very
said what it was
much.
made with, right? It was like strawberry beer, but
Strawberry beer.
orange peels in it.
Yeah,
Spices,
maybe
coriander.
spices, coriander, and orange
Maple?
peel. No, we can maple.
Oh, I thought you said maple spice,
no,
spices.
no,
What you
made
say?
with-
made with
made
spices.
with-
Oh man, I was gonna say,
Right.
come on, man, this about to be terrible.
Ready?
Right, strawberry beer.
Have fun.
Holy
Right.
shit, it smells
That
like
smells
strawberry
delicious.
shit. Sexual smell like that. We gonna leave it at the smell, man. I don't even want to drink it.
That's
See,
bomb.
It's about to ruin my taste buds.
Yo, if I took a shower, I would rinse off with this.
That's how I know. See, that's how I know y'all are ghetto, cause
Yeah.
this reminds me of some old Alizé, like.
I never had that.
It does.
Sorry,
You know what?
but
It
I'm
does.
sure
This,
it
reminds, this is
do.
what I was drinking when I was
I'm
like
sure it do, but
15, 16.
Oh shit.
It smells like juice, though.
This tastes great.
it smells like juice.
Like
It
some
tastes
Mad
like
Dog.
juice.
This is like some Mad Dog 2020.
Oh
y'all,
my
you
goodness,
know.
boy.
Nah, it ain't that.
Nah,
It ain't
It
that.
reminds me
Taste
of it.
Taste it.
Nah, this right here is bubbly. This is high quality. This past man,
High quality.
high
You
quality.
say
right?
high quality.
It's high quality in comparison to the Mad Dog 2020.
If you just started out drinking
You won't.
and you think
Yeah,
it's
if you
smearing off
fit-
ice or
No,
something
no,
is popping, nah, try some
Yeah,
Früli.
yeah.
This is like a
It's
fruit
fun.
If you like 21 and a day old, get you some Früli.
Oh shit, this good though.
This is like juice.
This ain't
this
that
like
good,
a
y'all.
fruit roll up.
This ain't that good. This
But-
ain't that
It ain't that good. Hey, you gotta. Hold on. That's because you're drinking it wrong. Put your pinky out.
All right, let me try it now.
Man,
This was made in America, Colorado.
Oh, you're right.
But
You're
it's
right.
in Colorado.
you gotta
Right.
sip it. It's almost like a champagne.
You're right. Yeah.
He's drinking it like his wine, shaking.
Yeah.
He's waking it up.
He said to let the aromas just go ahead and. That's good.
But it's 4.1% alcohol, so
You
you're
ain't
not
getting drunk.
toasted.
You ain't getting drunk
You
at
can
all.
drink a
All
six
right.
pack and still be able to walk to the store.
All right.
I mean, I know some ladies that drink, drink me under the table, but this probably is predominantly for the ladies.
I was gonna say that, and
Yeah.
I didn't want to say that because y'all
Oh,
were
no,
like,
it's still
y'all were
good.
liking it. Y'all were like, I didn't
It's
want to be
still
this
good.
ladies
I don't
drink,
give
and
a
y'all
shit.
were like, oh,
Hey, give me
I
a
got a
wine
daughter, I
cooler.
understand that.
Yeah, I know.
I understand. I
Yeah, me
use the
too.
word cute now.
me too.
You know what I'm saying?
A couple years ago, I was like, nigga,
Yeah,
I
you-
drank.
who you talking about?
Oh,
You-
man.
boy.
I got a daughter. Half my house is pink right now.
Right?
So,
Mhm. So this right here, I mean, it's real citrusy though, and citrus in myself is like, it be making you get the inside sweats, like you know how you ain't sweating outside, but you can feel you
Feel
hot.
it coming.
underneath?
Just start.
Yeah, you like, damn man, my body hot. It's like that's just with because of the citrus, I think.
yeah,
But it tastes amazing. Like
this is
I
a
can't-
premium white Belgian.
it does taste good.
With fruit juice. I can't lie.
It tastes like juice.
With the way I drink, I would get a 6-pack of this and just keep it for myself.
And just chill. Like you ain't gonna call nobody over. Hey yo man, let's go drink this Früli.
Früli. They call it Früli. That's funny.
If we pronouncing it wrong,
Früli.
If
Whatever.
Früli, hey, you got the two
Yeah,
dots
that's
over the
what
that's
U.
what it
That's
says. It's
Früli.
truly.
I can't drink that.
No.
I've been sipping.
No.
No. Still like ain't going nowhere.
Again, this reminds me of stuff I drank when I was,
A young buck.
21. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, it is. It's really smooth. I'd be almost afraid of it. I know I keep using
There's
that
only
word.
four-
I keep using that word smooth a lot. It is. It's very juicy.
It's only 4.1
Yeah, it's
though.
juice
So
like, and it tastes like something that'll make me throw up if I drink too much of it. Like that artificial flavoring, that's what it reminds me of, like the old cyanide stuff. Even though this is not a malt liquor, but you remember those
Yeah.
back in the day?
Yeah.
Like when you first started drinking and
Yep.
stuff, like cyanides,
Next
Mad
thing you know,
Dog,
like-
and you had that like the fake fruity artificial flavors. It just
Yeah.
didn't go good with the,
later on that night, you like,
The
why? Yeah, and it comes
and
out
it like
the
it'll bite you back. That's what it reminds me of. So it kind of makes me nervous.
Well, my
But it
thing is like
not bad. It's
with
not bad.
these. It reminds me of like if you were to get like what is it? Maybe a half or something like that, like a beer that you put orange in it, and then you put absolute Mandarin in it, so pair it together. Even though it's like liquor and beer together,
Yeah.
like you'll put a like some absolute regular vodka or some Ciroc something.
So you're saying
Ooh,
you can
yeah,
add something to it?
yeah.
Mix that joint with it.
So
Yeah.
you want to add something to this?
Yeah,
Yeah.
make it
stronger?
Make it stronger.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
But it tastes good because you ain't gonna want to drink this all day. After about maybe
Would
4
you
of
add
those.
like plain vodka or something?
Yeah, something just a bite you. But the
Yeah.
plain vodka
You
might
don't
be
want
just-
too much of that flavor going out,
Yeah.
that artificial flavor. I don't know.
So it'd be good, but you still sipping it. So
Yeah, that's good. That sounds like a panty dropper.
Where would you?
Yeah.
Where would you?
You know what I mean?
What's the setting that you drinking this to?
Invite a girl over, break this
Netflix and
stuff
chill.
out. Netflix and chill.
Netflix and chill.
Netflix and chill.
That's all that is.
I like it.
Pick that up next.
Hulu
I
and
like-
Shmulu.
Then you tell
But
the
I got
girl.
something else in there. You want some
Yeah,
Hennessy?
be like,
Yeah,
hey,
I'm saying, hey, real talk. If you want something a little hard,
I mean, we drinking.
you ever try it?
might
Yeah.
as well.
You ever try it with vodka?
Yeah,
No?
there he is.
You know?
You ever tried a little splash?
What you know about this Früli? You gotta act like it's big. You know, like
shit.
it's big
Oh, let me
time.
put you up on game real
Bet you
quick.
never had Früli. Oh, you wouldn't know about this.
Yeah. It's called strawberry beer. That's crazy. That's what's up.
Okay, so that's a setting. You pairing this with anything, any kind of food, or is it just by itself?
No, don't put that with nothing.
I'm
You
good.
supposed to be full already.
I'm good by itself.
It's like a snack.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
That's
dessert.
like a snack.
That's done.
Yeah.
You ate already.
This is good, light, slow, preferably with a female companion you're liking.
We are not pros.